Hey guys, welcome to देसी गर्ल ट्रैवलर। आज की जो वीडियो है दिस इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आपने एनीवे टाइटल पढ़ लिया है तो यू ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी ऑल अबाउट। डोंट माइंड माय सेटिंग, दिस इज अ टेम्पररी सेटअप आई हैव बिकॉज आई एम लिविंग इन ऋषिकेश these days. I'm not in my studio, so not a proper setup. But that is not important. What we are going to talk about today, that is of very much high importance. The topic is why one should be financially independent. वीडियो की फ्लो को थोड़ा स्मूथ बनाने के लिए आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रेक दिस वीडियो इन 3 parts. In the part 1 I would be talking about what is financially independence. The second part we are going to talk about why is it important to be financially independent, and in the part 3 I am going to be talking about how you can be financially independent. I am a die-hard fan of this word called independence, and I feel that we all should be independent in everything. I personally feel that independence is like my basic necessity, same like I need water, food, clothes, house. I need independence as well, and that's the reason I have worked all my life, and I have been still working a lot to be financially independent. While there are many definitions of financial independence, I am going to explain it in a very basic term. Financial independence for me is to be able to earn your own money and then have the freedom to spend your own money. As in, you should not be dependent on your family for your money, be it your parents, your spouse, or anybody else. I'm going to talk about 3 of my favorite and I think the most useful points why you should be financially independent. Number 1 point, it gives you confidence. It gives you a sense of self-worth. मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हो तो आप में एक अलग तरह की कॉन्फिडेंस आती है और उस कॉन्फिडेंस की वजह से आप अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारे डिसीजंस ले सकते हो। ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस, हमारी लाइफ के बहुत सारे डिसीजंस फैक्टर्स फाइनेंसेस पे डिपेंडेंट होते हैं। सो अगर आप फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं हो तो बहुत सारे डिसीजंस आप अपनी लाइफ में कभी नहीं ले पाओगे। As much as I hate talking about this gender inequality and all, but this is a fact. Most of the households in India, I'm not talking about the cities, tier 2 cities या villages या फिर छोटी छोटी जगह इंडिया में आज भी वैसी है जहाँ women are not earning money. They are dependent on their spouses, on their parents. और इस वजह से okay, I know a lot of the people are going to hate me for this, but in India so many families, so many houses have this control issues, as in everybody wants to control the females in the house. So if you are not financially independent, your spouse is going to control you, your parents are going to control you. That is not a bad thing. What I'm trying to say, the thing is that if you're not earning your own money, they will be taking all the decisions on your behalf, as in you will not have your say, your opinion on a lot of things. कहते हैं ना, अगर आप अपनी लाइफ की ड्राइविंग सीट पे खुद नहीं बैठोगे तो कोई और स्टीयरिंग घुमाएगा और आपकी लाइफ को गाइड करेगा, एंड यू विल नॉट वांट दैट. If you are financially independent, you will have the confidence to take the decisions for yourself. A very simple example I'm going to give you. So many people, men and women both, I'm talking about, they cannot walk off from a toxic relationship because they are not financially independent. तो उस वजह से उनको उस टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में रहना पड़ता है और बहुत सारे लाइफ में चीज़ें झेलनी पड़ती है. So just think about it. If you are independent, as in if you are earning your own money, you can take decisions for yourself. You can walk out of a toxic relationship and you can start your own life altogether. Have your own financial freedom so that you can take your own decisions with a lot of confidence. Second point, happiness. Most of the things, almost everything, every tangible things, it requires money, and things make us happy. Women, this is especially for you. I know buying a new dress can make you happy. I know going to a spa can make you happy. Being a woman, I love shopping. I love a lot of things. Traveling for that matter. I travel a lot because I am not financially dependent on anybody. I earn my own money. I travel on my own. I take my own decisions in almost every aspect of my life. So imagine if you're earning on your own and you are spending your own money on yourself, and you are the one who is choosing where you want to spend, whether you want to buy a dress or not, whether you want to check into a hotel, or whether you want to take a vacation or not. Trust me, it's such a liberating feeling when you do not have to ask for money from your spouse or from your parents, because you have been earning your own money and you are in a way buying your own happiness. I know most of the people will say that money cannot give you all the happiness, money cannot buy everything. Trust me, money can definitely give you happiness, and money can buy most of the things. You have to earn money, live your own life, and then whatever you want to say that money does not make you so very happy, or money does not buy you happiness, or money cannot buy everything, all these things you can say for later. But I think in the early stage of life, because I am in my 30s, I can definitely say that money matters a lot, and it definitely gives a lot of happiness when you're able to buy the things, travel the way you want, and live the way you want. Okay, coming to the next point about why you should be financially independent. It's always good to have more than one members in the family who are earning money. So if in case we have any sort of family emergencies, like right now, it's COVID times and unnecessary trouble is coming to almost all the families. There have been emergencies when you require extra funds. Having more than one member in the family who earns money, it definitely helps in the emergency. I definitely feel very happy whenever I'm able to help my parents, although they do not ask me money or anything. But sometimes when they are in need and I'm able to help them, I just feel very, very, very good about it. So till now we have spoken about what does it mean to be financially independent and why you should be financially independent. Now that I have given you the reasons, let me also tell you how you can be financially independent. Number one point, earn. It's quite obvious we all should be earning. Okay, if at all you are earning already, it's well and good, and if at all you are not earning and you feel that it's already too late, you haven't started earning yet, please let me tell you something. This is my favorite part. No one decides for us what is the right time to do whatsoever we want in our life. So it's you who has to choose, it's you who has to decide when is the right time for whatever you want to do. So if you haven't been earning till now, it's okay. Now is the time and you can start earning. If you have a job, then well and good. And if at all you do not have a full-time job, trust me, we are so lucky to be born in the era of internet. Internet actually gives us a lot of opportunities and possibilities to earn money. I'll tell you my own story. I started earning from the year 2003. I had enrolled for my engineering and I was taking tuition classes just as a part-time so that I could have some money. And more than the need of money, I have always loved the idea of earning money. I feel whenever I have money in my own pocket, it gives me confidence. I have been earning since 2003. So back then I used to take tuition classes, then I had a full-time job. Obviously it was my first job. I was earning well and good, and then in 2009 I lost my job due to recession and I went to Nepal in 2010 2009 के end में, and Nepal में IT was not at all in a good shape back then, and me being an IT engineer, I could not find a job for myself, and I was earning quite good amount in India. But still I didn't give up. So although I didn't have any job in IT sector, I used to be an IT engineer, software developer back in India till 2009. बट उसके बाद मैं जब नेपाल गई वहाँ पे मुझे आईटी में जॉब नहीं मिली. सो व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग, आई पिक्ड अप अनदर हॉबी. आई यूज्ड टू राइट कंटेंट एनीवे. मुझे लिखना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था, तो आई टुक अ जॉब एज अ कंटेंट राइटर. इट वाजंट पेइंग मी टू मच बट इट वाज पेइंग मी सम मनी. एंड उसके बाद बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई, बहुत सारे जॉब्स आई पिक्ड अप एंड आई हैव बीन अर्निंग. एंड टुडे it's all because of all my those skills which I have learned in the span of last 18 years is making me earn money. So if you feel that you do not have a full-time job, you must be good at something. Take your that skill to next level. उसको आप enhance करो, उस पे grow करो, and definitely it is going to give you work opportunity. And वैसे भी इंटरनेट के टाइम पे आप कुछ भी literally कर सकते हो इंटरनेट पे, and you can make money. I think I'm going to make a separate video on how you can make money or how you can earn money on internet. I think that's another my favorite topic to talk about. मैं एक separate video बनाऊंगी उस पर फिर कभी. So let's move to our second point on how you can be financially independent. Save. That is what we have been listening since our childhood days. एक प्रॉब्लम है हमारे साथ, पता है, बचपन से जो चीज़ें हम सुनते आ रहे हैं ना कि पैसे बचाने चाहिए या कुछ भी, कोई भी चीज़ जो हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं उसको समझने में सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. एवरी penny you save is the penny you have earned. If you are not able to save money or you haven't saved money so far, it's okay. You can start small, you can start now. Remember, the best time to do savings was yesterday and the next best time is today. So start saving. Even if it's a small amount, do save. Third point, not just earn and save but also invest. Investment is a brilliant way to let your money make money for you. In case you do not have much idea about investment, in fact मुझे भी पहले नहीं था, you can always hire a professional for that. There are so many professionals out there who can help you understand the good investment opportunity, or you can even read about it on the internet. These days people are buying cryptocurrency. They are investing in cryptocurrency because it looks like a very promising way of letting your money make money for you. For example, Bitcoin. When Bitcoin came in picture, it was for 45 rupees or even lesser amount, but Bitcoin has reached the value of 45 lakhs. Can you imagine? मतलब मुझे जेलस फील हो रही है उन सारे लोगों से जो जो बिटकॉइन में इन्वेस्ट किए थे. आई नो मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक दैट क्रिप्टो करेंसी इज इलीगल, बट लेट मी टेल यू, बाइंग, सेलिंग, होल्डिंग और इनफैक्ट ट्रेडिंग ऑफ क्रिप्टो करेंसी इज legal as the government of India hasn't passed any law on crypto regulations till now. However, crypto cannot be used as a legal tender in India, as in you cannot use crypto for buying and selling of goods similar to gold. Like you cannot use gold to buy goods. अगर आपको कुछ खरीदना है, जैसे मोबाइल फ़ोन, कोई गैजेट्स, लैपटॉप, कैमरा, कुछ भी खरीदना है तो आप गोल्ड देके नहीं खरीद सकते हो. So if you're looking to buy crypto, you can use this app. It's called CoinDCX Go. Process of buying and selling crypto on this app is very simple, and you can invest as low as rupees 100 on this app, and you can buy crypto for as low as rupees 10. All your funds on CoinDCX app is going to be 100% safe, as it is ISO certified and insured by BitGo, who is their custodian. So in case you are interested in checking out this app called CoinDCX Go, I am going to provide the link of this app in the video description below, and you can check out and buy crypto and do an investment. So guys, with this I'm going to conclude this video here. I hope you guys found this video useful. Trust me when I say this, being financially independent is something, it's not even a choice, you know. You should be financially independent. Just look at me. I mean, I do not want to boast too much about myself, but I feel so proud of myself for the life I have been living. I was not born in a family where girl child was encouraged so much for education. Forget about earning money, but today I earn money and I take care of myself. I take almost all decisions of my life all by myself, and this is the most liberating feeling I will ever have. जाते जाते एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगी जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आप अपनी लाइफ में कुछ भी करो, बट एट एनी कॉस्ट do not give your independence in someone else's hand. It's not a good thing at all. प्यार में मत दो, गुस्से में मत दो, नाराज़गी में मत दो, बस अपनी इंडिपेंडेंस अपने पास रखो. Be it in every aspect of your life, financially and non-financially aspect भी जो है आपकी लाइफ की, मतलब कुछ भी. ओवरऑल इंडिपेंडेंस आप किसी के हाथ में मत दो. सो आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. कुछ सीखने को आपको मिला. आई होप दिस वीडियो वॉज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू ऑल. तो डू लाइक द वीडियो, कॉमेंट ऑन द वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड डू प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर many future videos. I will see you guys in the next episode. Until then, ta-da.